Welcome back to my channel. If you've been wanting to copy designer style to fit your body, I have a class for you. Here's a look at my class on DIY clothing design. I'm talking runway to reality. I learned to sew so that I could have a designer aesthetic at a lower price point with the kind of quality and sustainability you can't find in fast fashion. Hi, my name is Robin Andrea Burgess. I'm a sewist and founder of Styles InSeams, a fit-obsessed sewing blog and indie pattern business. I started sewing 6 years ago after decades of struggling to find clothes that fit my 6'2" body, my budget, and my bold, cheerful style. I taught myself how to design and sew a handmade wardrobe. Everything I wear, I create from my imagination and my sewing machine. This class is about decoding, deconstructing, and designing fashion. Do you want your clothes to look like they belong in the pages of Vogue or on the racks of Neiman Marcus? We're going to look at ready-to-wear garments and learn how to replicate them at home. We'll learn about silhouettes, construction details, types of fabrics, and pattern hacking. By the end, you will create a sketch that you can use as a guide to sew the garment of your dreams. You should take this class if you have an understanding of the basics of sewing. You're looking to get a better understanding of fashion design so that you can start to sketch out some of your own ideas. My wish is for you to get a deeper understanding of this craft, fine-tune your fashion eye, and level up your skill set so you too can hack the fashion industry by mimicking its designs for a fraction of the price. I'm so excited to teach you everything I know. Let's get started. So, are your Pinterest boards just ready to be recreated now? Use the link in my bio to sign up for this class and all 5 in my learning path. You can sew custom clothing from scratch. With my exclusive link, you'll get 1 free month of Skillshare. The Skillshare learning platform has thousands of classes on creativity, the tools we use to create, and even the business fundamentals to grow from your creativity. Use my link to start exploring. Guess what? There's no sewing machine required for this class. As we sketch your design, you'll learn garment silhouettes, design ease, fabric qualities, construction details, and pattern hacking. Also, you can sew the look of your favorite designers, celebrities, street style, whatever you are really into. Even if you're already a pro at sewing, this class and the design process we followed together could be that instant sojo you're looking for. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and even drop me a comment if you're really into this class content. I want to see more of you. I hope to see you back here soon. Bye-bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my